Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on volume, capacity and mass. The connection between volume, capacity and mass. We have seen that the volume of some 3D objects is measured in cubic centimetres, which can be abbreviated to cm to the power of 3, or it can be measured in cubic metres, which can be abbreviated to m to the power of 3. In addition, we saw that the capacity of a container can be expressed in millilitres or litres. Following on from this, it is important to know that 1 millilitre of water has a mass of 1 gram. 1 litre of water has a mass of 1 kilogram. It follows that 1 millilitre of water occupies a volume of 1 cubic centimetre. Also, 1 litre of water occupies a volume of 1,000 cubic centimetres. Let's look at some examples. Here we have a fish tank which is 80 centimetres long, 20 centimetres wide and 60 centimetres high. The volume of the tank, we multiply the three measurements together and we get 96,000 cubic centimetres. This holds 96 litres of water, because 1 litre of water occupies 1,000 cubic centimetres. So the tank holds 96 litres of water, so the mass of water is 96 kilograms, because 1 litre of water has a mass of 1 kilogram. Example 2. Here is a fish tank. We are told that the volume of this fish tank is 1 cubic metre. What is the mass of 1 cubic metre of water? So a cubic metre can be represented as 100 by 100 by 100 cubic centimetres. So that's 100 centimetres by 100 centimetres by 100 centimetres, which is 1 million cubic centimetres. This volume holds 1 million millilitres. This is equal to 1,000 litres. So this has a mass of 1,000 kilograms, because 1 litre of liquid or water has a mass of 1 kilogram, so 1,000 litres of water has a mass of 1,000 kilograms, and this is equal to 1 tonne. Example 3. Here we have a container 30 centimetres wide, 60 centimetres long, and we don't know the height. If the above container holds 36 litres of water, find the height. We know that 1 litre of water has a volume of 1,000 cubic centimetres. Therefore, 36 litres of water occupy 36,000 cubic centimetres. So h centimetres by 60 centimetres by 30 centimetres gives us 36,000 cubic centimetres. So if we multiply all those together, we get 1,800 h cubic centimetres equals 36,000 cubic centimetres. If we divide both sides by 1,800, we get h equals 20 centimetres. So the height of the rectangular prism is 20 centimetres. So this video has introduced us to the idea of volume and capacity and mass, and we've seen a connection between volume and capacity, and we've done some very straightforward problems.